All right, today I'm gonna be picking up a customer of mine's TRX. This is a good friend of mine named Devins. He actually just recently passed away, so I'm gonna take on the responsibility of fixing this tail light, getting this thing detailed, and selling it for them, which is terrible news, and that's a terrible way to get a job. Devin was a really good friend of mine. He's always supported me business-wise. He's always seen, I don't know, greatness in me, and always, I don't know, talk positively about me and always talk about doing business with me. And like I said, he just recently passed away. I'm gonna get them taken care of on this thing, and let's see what we can sell this for. This thing is gonna be ended up for sale. I'm gonna talk about the mileage and what's all wrong with it and what is right with it and the overall condition, because this car is actually pretty nice and it's a good spec car. So let's see what we can do. This TRX is really cool. It's got a little bit of front end damage. They're not too concerned about that. They really want this thing depersonalized, cleaned up, and prepped for sale. They are concerned about this taillight here. We're gonna get that fixed, get that on order. Yeah, this thing for sure is a little dirty. Look at the windows. Not terrible, but nothing I can't do. Look at that. We're gonna bring this thing back to life. This is a 2023. He's for sure got his use out of it, which I don't blame him. If I had a truck like this, it would be, it'd probably be even worse, let's be honest. This thing is huge. This thing barely fits in my shop, but luckily I have just enough space to get a detail done. Enough space to open up the doors, fix this tail light, and get busy. I'm gonna do the exterior first, and then I'm gonna work my way on the inside. Midway through my exterior, I will pull the rubber floor mats out and pressure wash them so I don't go back and forth using my pressure washer. All right, before I start the detail, I'm gonna fix this tail light. Looks pretty straightforward. Couple torch heads and get done. It's amazing. The best part of this $1,600 taillight. I was a little bit worried about it being chipped or something in shipping, but it looks pretty good. All right, before I celebrate putting this taillight on, let's see if it actually works. Get a little watermelon break. finish up on this exterior detail. Now I have to do the clay bar treatment on this just to get the decontamination off the paint. There's some tar on the vehicle here and there. If you see in the time lapse, there's a short period I was scraping something on the roof. There's some really weird adhesive from tape or something up there. So I used a little bit of aqua solvent and a plastic razor and a cam right up. So I'm gonna do the clay bar on this, which is gonna be a little time consuming, so I'm just gonna time lapse it now. I'm all wrapped up with the TRX. I did a full interior and exterior detail on this. I spot polished some areas. I replaced a tail light, and now I'm gonna be listing this car for sale. So if you're interested in this car, stay tuned and get in contact with me. I'll list my contact information probably in the comments below or in the description below, or you can just reach out to Retro Auto Detail. I'm a public business. I'll answer the phone if you call me. Anyway, other than that, check out these transformations. I'm terrible at this, and Jake's gonna edit this and make this look really cool. He's gonna make me like come from the sky, and then I'm gonna walk in. And yeah, anyway, check out the transformation.
Come from the sky, and then you're gonna walk in.
Yeah. I don't fucking know, dude. I was trying to do fucking casual. You said do it casual. They're your homie. All right, let's break down this detail for you guys. So what did I end up doing on this thing is a standard interior and exterior detail. I spot polished some areas. There's a couple scuffs here and there. I ended up replacing the taillight for this customer, and then I also ended up repairing the seat for them, which you've seen in this video. The interior detail was a little bit more complicated than the normal standard detail. I typically do not steam clean on a standard detail. I typically just use my Interior Express chemicals and just scrub and wipe down. I really don't even dress plastics in general, but I had to use the steamer on this car to clean the leather, and suede really good. A lot of dirt and debris on the interior. Just common use areas, center console, steering wheel, bolsters, and whatnot. So I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. There's a few things that I am unhappy with, but given the current condition of this car and the customer's budget, it just makes sense to leave it as is, cleaned it up as best as I can, and put it up for sale. If you're interested in it, just message me, call me. I will be brokering this sale for this customer, and just weeding out the window shoppers and getting a serious buyer to these sellers. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching. This was a good project for me to do on the side. I didn't really do this in one day. If you couldn't tell in the video, I changed outfits about 5 times. So I did this in the evening time after I did all my mobile details during the day. So anyway, I'm ending this video here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you want to get your car detailed, book online at Retro Auto Detail STL, because that's what we do, and that's what you do, and that's what you're going to do. Goodbye.
Millie, look.